All right, our site is looking great. It's time to talk about getting it live on the internet with a custom domain. Right now, your site is on a free 14-day trial. During the trial, your site is private. Only you can see it. To make it public, you'll need to choose a plan. Squarespace has several tiers, and which one you need depends on what features you want. To see the pricing options, click the Settings gear in the bottom of your left side menu. Then click Billing on the left side, Subscriptions, then select your website, and click Subscribe. At a high level, the basic plans cover everything you need for a standard website with pages, forms, and SEO tools. The higher tiers add e-commerce features like selling products, abandoned cart recovery, and subscription options. If you're just starting out, pick the plan that matches what you need today. You can always upgrade later. For me, I'll select the core plan. You can choose to pay annually and save a little bit of money, or pay a slightly higher rate monthly. I'll choose annually. Then enter your billing address, enter a payment card, then on the review order page, be sure to add our code METICS10 to get 10% off any plan you choose. Click Confirm Payment to lock it all in. You'll get a purchase confirmation. Now let's set up your custom domain. At the top of the page, click Get a free domain for a year. If you already have a domain you want to connect, you can click Use a domain I own. But I need a domain for this site, so I'll click Get a domain. You'll be given some domain options right away, but you can always search for a domain name if you prefer. I like thegentlekettle.com, so I'll go ahead and click the shopping cart and then check out. It's free for 1 year, so I'll change this to just a 1-year term and then save and continue. Next, you'll need to enter your contact information to register your domain. Once you've done that, click Save and Continue at the bottom of the page. Review the order, then click Confirm Payment, and you'll get a confirmation saying that you've acquired your domain name. Click the X in the upper right to exit this. Next, you'll need to verify your email. Open your inbox and look for the email from Squarespace. It should look something like this. Click Verify Now, and you'll get a confirmation message. You can click to return to your account dashboard, and then click Website. And now, if you click the link to your website, in my case, thegentlekettle.com, you'll see that the website is still private. Your Squarespace site is live, but it's hidden right now. We need to set it to public. Go to your site settings, and at the top, under the Websites tab, click Site Availability and change it to public. Then click Save. And now if you visit your domain, just like that, your website is live on the internet.